Hey everyone! A Hot Wheels Collector's RLC exclusive, a 2021 Pagani Huayra R. In the world of luxury sports car, this car has a perfect trifecta of performance, the immense power of a V12R 850 horsepower engine, a lightweight composite design and aerodynamic engineering. There were only 30 of these cars ever made as a one-of-one editions, but Hot Wheels has brought it to our RLC members in this new casting, sure to be a centerpiece of any Hot Wheels collection. Features opening rear hood with detailed engine, suspension and exhaust, body color Spectra Flame Slate, body type Zamac, wheels Real Rider 10-spoke wheels with gloss black hubs, packed in an acrylic case with a decorative outer box. The price of a car is $30, releasing on 2nd of May 2024 at 9 am Pacific time. For more info, check out the links in the description. Now let's check out new upcoming Hot Wheels Walmart Zamac, Dollar Tree Family Tree, and Target Red Edition exclusives. So our first car is a Honda Civic EG from HWJ Imports in a Zamac version. Our second car is a Mustang Funny Car, will be in Zamac version. A Jaguar F-Type from HW Roadsters. A Dodge D100 from a HW Reverse Wreck. A Mod Rod from a HW Art Cars. And a sneak peek of a new two colors of BMW. Now let's check out two new upcoming mainline cars, a 2022 Ford Maverick Custom versus Chevy Silverado. Introducing a die-cast stock Pink Taco 2.0, limited to 800 pieces, including 50 chrome pink chases. Join us in supporting breast cancer research by snagging one for every car sold. Die-cast stock will donate $1 to Breast Cancer Foundation. Pre-order price is $29.99, and let's drive towards a brighter future together. But wait, there's more. They are selling our 4 chase models of last year Pink Tacomas, with 100% of the proceeds going to cause. Let's make a difference. For more info, visit their official website as www.shopdiecaststock.com. Is to 43.62. That was the incredible record-topping lap time. The AMG GT Black Series recorded to go under the bonnet is the AMG's 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 whipping out 720 horsepower. So pre-order this new metallic silver version with the authorized resellers today. The Lancer Evo 1 was the one that started it all for the iconic Lancer Evolution series. This RS version is a stripped down version with a 70 kg deduction versus the GSR, and it's meant for tuning and racing. So pre-order this Global 64X Tarmac Works Mitsubishi Lancer Evo 1 RS with the authorized resellers today. Now let's check out new upcoming M2 models as a ground pounder series. So check out the sneak peek of this complete lineups with the chase models. A Time Micro presents a Toyota Supra A80Z, color of car, Denso, and a Powercraft. Limited up to 999 each color, with and without figure, made from diecast, releasing on June 2024. Now let's check out a sneak peek of our Anno 64 models, which was held in Beijing Hobby Expo China 2024. So check out a sneak peek of this complete lineups of new upcoming models. Thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to all notifications. See you next time and stay tuned for more updates.